Hello guys, you are watching Cpahacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this video who are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Before we are going to the session, I would like to share my moment which my private session students and my subscribers have got. Many people have got their results. I'm really happy to share you guys. All the best to the subscribers and the private session students who all got their results instantly, because they were really struggling to earn some money in CPA marketing, and they are really poor people and they have a very poor background also. But after they have joined with our private session and after they have got some ideas from a YouTube channel, they have started their earnings. And I don't have a proper time to share those moments. Definitely coming week I'm going to update many students results in my YouTube community also. Please stay tuned and please watch it also if you're really interested. Okay, so thanks for the moment, and today we are going to see about an automation work will generate you automatic money. Okay, so what we are going to do is, in this video we are going to use the WordPress trick which CPA links, sorry for the spelling. Okay, we are going to do a CPA work with WordPress. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to build a content and we are going to use the top trending website right now, and we are going to get the money. So if you don't have a WordPress, means no issues, you can skip this video. But if you really want to open a WordPress account, means it's really easy. Okay, I'll show you how to buy it. Okay, first, to buy a WordPress you need a domain. Okay, in the domain you have to pick a name related to your micro niche. Okay, as I already said, what is a niche, what is a micro niche. Okay, I don't want to explain more about it. If you want, I'll give the links in the description or in the I button. Please watch it. Okay, so you have to pick a micro niche and you have to select a name regarding micro niche. This is the website name called as Namecheap. Here only I have bought many domains regarding my business. Okay, even though I'll give the links in the description, if you want you can buy from there. Okay, then for hosting you have to choose Hostinger, because this is the most cheapest hosting space. Many hosting plans are really costly. Okay, if you want you can use this Hostinger. Okay, so per month it's just $1.99, which means per month you want if you want you can spend $2 for this hosting, and this premium hosting is $2.80, and this business website hosting is $4. It's better to use this single website hosting. Okay, because we are just using for this CPA marketing. So if you want you can purchase it. Then after purchasing it, we are going to post the things here. We are going to give a giveaway for PayPal. So many people will get attracted to the free things and they will click the challenge and they will submit the challenges also. So we are going to tell them that we are going to give a free PayPal gift cards. For an example, this is the question. Okay, so please wait. So get your PayPal gift cards here. Okay, so we are going to give a content related PayPal gift cards, but we want to give a content to this. Okay, you don't want to worry about the content, because you don't want to create any contents, even though you can just use this Chatgpt account. So this is an automation website. This is the topmost website right now. Okay, if you really want to use it, you can use it forever. Even though you can create YouTube videos automatically, you don't want to work for a while. Okay, so this Chatgpt is the best Elon Musk's product. Okay, it's really matchable for Google. So definitely this will hit a biggest milestone in a couple of months. So before this going to be a premium, just use this when it is going to be free. Okay, so we are going to give a comment like, can you please improve this copy? it's for PayPal gift cards giveaway. Okay, so we are going to ask this machine that we want a content regarding PayPal gift cards. Okay, so see this content. Hey everyone, we are excited to announce that we are giving a PayPal gift cards to the lucky winners. Yeah, this is awesome content, I think so, because it's really best content. Okay, so thanks for participating. Okay, just copy this content and paste in your WordPress. Okay, then even though if you want, you can regenerate it. Okay, ask this question again. If you ask this question again, definitely I think it will give you many. Yeah, this is also a different kind of content. Okay, you can copy any content which you would like to use for your WordPress. Okay, so even though you can copy this, then paste. Okay, let's paste it, and let's paste some attractive images. Okay, use the website called as unsplash.com. okay, this is unsplash.com. Here you can download many pictures. Okay, you don't want to spend any single dollar for this. Okay, just copy this, save as images, then click on images, then drag it here. You have uploaded the picture. Okay, so good. Yeah, that's all. Then finally you have to give the link. Just follow this command. Yes, complete this task and get your $100 gift card. Okay, like this you have to give the comment and just copy your CPA link. For an example, this is your CPA link, means just click on it, then click on paste. You don't want to paste the link directly, you can use the bit.ly or else you can paste it directly. Okay, so now you will have a question that my task is want to made by, or your task is want to done by only United States people, but your visitors are from all around the world, so I need only USA people. You will ask like this, right? Yes, this is the best question. Okay, which means you can use a trick here. What the trick means, if anyone click this link and if anyone works and anyone complete this task, means you can earn money. They don't want to be a United States, they don't want to be a Pakistan, or they don't want to be a Indian, German, Canada, any country, but even though any country people can complete this task and you can earn money. If you want to know how this want to be work, means don't worry, I'm going to tell you in the next video. Okay, next video is going to be regarding this WordPress only. There is an awesome plugin. You can use that plugin, and if you install that plugin, means any persons can come to this link and anyone can work on it, and definitely you will get some money through it. Okay, I'll tell you in the next video. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Okay, in the next video I'm going to upload it on the next day, which means tomorrow, so stay tuned. Definitely I won't take long time to upload. Definitely tomorrow within evening 8:30 I am going to upload this video. Okay, please stay tuned and get that video. And last but not the least, as you all know that we are running a private session also, where the people are getting instant results there. Okay, I'm giving many free kind of tricks and many values I'm giving in my YouTube channel. Even though in my private session I'm giving many extra things to do for people.